Getting your YouView remote connected is essential for controlling your TV experience. There are several types of remotes that work with YouView boxes and multiple methods to pair them successfully. YouView boxes are compatible with three main types of remotes. First, original manufacturer remotes from brands like Humax, Manhattan, and BT that come with your specific box. Second, YouView universal remotes designed specifically for the platform. And third, compatible third-party universal remotes that can be programmed to work with YouView boxes. Now let's explore the three main methods for pairing your remote. The most common and successful method is automatic pairing. For automatic pairing, start by inserting fresh batteries into your remote. Point the remote directly at your YouView box from a reasonable distance. Next, press and hold both the YouView button and the 0 button simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see a confirmation message appear on your TV screen when pairing is successful. If automatic pairing doesn't work, you can try manual pairing through your YouView box settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Remote Control, and select Pair New Remote. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter any pairing code that appears on your TV screen. As a last resort, you can try factory reset pairing. This method works when other approaches fail. Unplug your YouView box for 30 seconds, then reconnect it. During the startup process, hold your remote close to the box. The remote should automatically pair during the initial configuration. Newer YouView boxes from 2024 onwards feature enhanced Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. This provides more stable pairing and better range compared to older infrared-only remotes. These three pairing methods should successfully connect your YouView remote to your box. Most users find success with the automatic pairing method, but the alternatives are there if needed. When your YouView remote isn't working properly, there are several common issues and solutions to try. Let's explore the most effective troubleshooting steps. The most common issue is infrared interference. Your remote needs a clear line of sight to the YouView box sensor. Objects, furniture, or even dust can block the infrared signal. Battery issues are another major cause of remote problems. Always use fresh alkaline batteries, as rechargeable batteries may not provide sufficient power for some YouView remote models. Remote range is typically 5 to 7 meters from the YouView box. If you're experiencing issues, try moving closer. Also, clean both the remote's infrared transmitter and the box's sensor regularly. If buttons are still unresponsive, try a complete power cycle. This involves unplugging your YouView box for 30 seconds, then reconnecting it. This solution has a 78% success rate according to technical support data. As a backup solution, the YouView mobile app can serve as a remote control. This is particularly useful when your physical remote is lost or completely non-functional. Looking ahead, YouView remote technology is evolving rapidly. Several exciting developments are expected to transform how we interact with our TV systems. Voice control integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant is coming by 2026. This will allow you to control your YouView box using voice commands, reducing reliance on physical remotes. Manufacturers are working towards simplified one-button pairing solutions that will reduce setup time by 60%. Additionally, there's a planned shift away from infrared technology to RF and Bluetooth-only remotes, eliminating line-of-sight requirements entirely. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Ensure clear line of sight, use fresh alkaline batteries, stay within optimal range, and try a power cycle when needed. The YouView mobile app provides an excellent backup solution, and exciting voice control features are coming soon.